can plant some seeds, sunflower seeds.
Yeah, open them up for us. Okay. Put this seed in between your fingers and try to squish it. Try to squish it.
Ah, it broke!
What happens, right? It cracks open because it's got this seed coat on it.
And there's a good part in it.
Yeah, we eat the inside sometimes. Inside, we have what's going to be the new plant. How are you going to get any work done on those?
Okay.
You'll be able to work with those big old gloves?
Yep.
Or remember what happened with our volcano experiment?
Yeah.
Yeah, you had to take them off because you couldn't do the job. How do we make a seed grow?
Well, you put it in soil.
In soil.
Well, every day you check on it.
Uh-huh.
And every day you water it.
Because that hard seed coat that's crunchy, that we cracked, the water will soften it up, and so that moisture can get to the inside part of the seed. What do we call it when a seed starts to grow into a new plant? What word do we use?
Sprout.
It's a sprout, yeah. It makes one thing go down, and that's the root. Then it makes the other thing go up, which is the sprout or the shoot. So I'm gonna pick out one of these little pieces of grass to show. There we go. Jamie, can you point to where the shoot is? Where's the shoot of this plant?
This.
The green leaves, yeah, where's the root? Yeah. What does the roots do?
Soaks up the water.
Soaks up the water. Did you know that the leaves of a plant are green because
Yes.
they soak up sunlight and make plant food?
Oh.
These are the beginnings of our new tomatoes. What do you see when you look at this?
The shoot.
The shoot. And how many leaves does it have?
2.
Just 2. Every plant that I know of always starts out with just 2 leaves. So first we have the seed, the tomato seed, and then it grows into this little plant with 2 leaves. And then let's look at what happens next. What do you see on this plant, Jamie?
It has lots of leaves.
Lots of leaves. So it went from just those 2 little leaves, and now it's got lots of leaves. Are these leaves the same shape?
No.
No. Look at this leaf and tell me what kind of lines and shapes you see.
Zigzag.
Zigzags, yeah, they're bumpy. The other one, the first few leaves, they were just straight across leaves. But these are zigzaggy, bumpy leaves. Soon, this is gonna get even bigger, and there's gonna be little flowers all over the place.
And Mom, look, there's flowers on
There's flowers on this. Do you know what kind of plant that is?
Brussels sprout.
Well, what kind of insect really likes flowers?
Butterfly.
Butterflies. What else?
Bees.
And bees. What do?
They put pollen on it.
They put pollen on it, that's right. They pollinate the flowers, and when the flowers get pollinated, they make seeds. Do you see any seeds on this plant? It's a seed pod. Here, crack this guy open. What do you see in there? Hold it in. Be careful.
Nothing.
You don't see anything in there?
Oh, I see little seeds in.
Do you see little seeds inside it?
Yeah, it's a little ball.
Yeah, it's a little ball. It's a little seed. So the bees come along. They pollinate the flower. Doodle-doo-doodle-doo. Suck up the nectar. Spread the pollen. Bloop, bloop, bloop. The pollinated flowers turn into seeds. Let's plant some seeds.
Yeah, go.
Let's get those sunflower seeds.
Let me show you.
Where are we going to plant them? Next to the compost pile. What do you say?
Okay.
Okay, get the tools.
Oh, I found a rock. I
I
found a
bet
rock.
you did.
I'm just digging a deep, deep hole.
Digging a deep, deep hole? Okay, let me help out with that.
Oh, look, it's a roly-poly.
Oh yeah, the roly-polies love to live where it's nice and dark and cool. Use my spade.
Now it's a hoe.
Now it's Well, it's a good thing I have a backup spade.
It's a
That was
hose.
insane. Okay.
Now I'm gonna plant the seed.
All right, yes, get the seed out.
Okay. Do I need 1 seed or 2 seeds?
Let's do 2 seeds. Bit of this soil in here first.
And then another layer.
Okay, and one over here, and one over here. Okay, let's cover it back up with some soil. Some of this stuff.
And then some
Break up
starting
this.
guide.
Break up these roots. So we don't want rocks. Now the reason I'm spreading this other soil here is because the kind of soil we have in our yard is called clay. And clay soil is very sticky.
And can you make ceramic out of that?
You totally could. But unfortunately that means that sometimes it's hard for plants to grow in clay soil. So I put a little bit of that topsoil seed starting mix to help the plants grow a little bit. Now we've covered it up with soil. What comes next?
Water it.
Water it. Two, one, turn it off. All right, now can you carry this big heavy thing?
No.
Give it a try. Let's see what your muscles are made out of. All right, I guess I gotta carry it. All right, do you think that's enough?
No.
No, let's get a little bit more in there. There you go. Hey, you learned that you can just tip it over right there on the ground. Right? That's probably good there. See how it's pooling up there? It's made a little puddle. Where's the puddle going?
Under.
Underneath. The puddle's going away. And what's going to happen to the seed? What's going to happen first? At the very beginning.
Sprout.
A sprout. Now that we put water on that seed, what's going to happen?
The root's gonna go all the way down.
Oh, and then what's the root going to do?
Soak up the water.
Soak up the water. And then what's going to go above?
The sprout.
The sprout.
The stem too.
The stem, the sprout, leaves. And what are the leaves going to do? What is the job of the leaf? We talked about it. Those green leaves have a job. They go up to get what?
Sun.
To get sun. What do the flowers do?
It makes other seeds.
It makes new seeds. All right, Jamie. That's our gardening lesson for today. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
I'm glad you learned something new. I hope we're going to keep checking in on our sunflowers and see how big they get.
Okay.
How big do sunflowers get? Do you remember? So tall. Say bye.